See, library 2 also it has been came here. Click on enter. You can see here this library successfully we have created, guys. And for see the grid in the project view, what you have to do, you have to click on this fisheye button, then bottom side this dotted, that means the grid is option is there, so we can see. And while designing the schematic, always you have to turn on the grid, otherwise sometimes you will see the errors. So again I'm deleting this one. Again one more library is there, that also we will create here. Again new, create the library, same path we are giving. Then click on this third one, new part, name also we have to give. So third one will be the our, we are just like this is a CS340, this is our USB to UART USB to serial port chip IC that we are using for the that we are using for the type C connector with the micro B type of connector. So that purpose we are using in that one. So multiple type of the packages are there, so most of the time people are using the CS340K. This is a 10 pin IC, so that one we will use. We will take from here the pins diagram only. So this is the part number CS340K. We will put here CH340K. Click on OK. Then again this working area will come. So stay tuned, guys. Now I'm one by one I will create here. So guys, here also you can see here this is ground 0 pin is there. That means this bottom side of the one of the pad is there to dissipate the heat. So here I will add this pin also, just for your reference only, but there is no mean to add this one in the schematic view, in the perspective of the schematic view. But if you are designing the layout of the final product, definitely you have to design here there. This is like a footprint. If you are designing there, definitely you have to provide this pin. So here maybe you can ask the guys why I give this in between the space. So it depends on guys whether while designing the schematic sometimes like pins are all are the merging together, so it will not look good clearly where visible also. So which pin is goes to where in the which section. So just for the represent good representation, I have created like that only. So also you also have to use like that whenever like a more number of pins are there in the schematics or the PCB, sorry, on the library creation, library component library, you have to create like that only. So it will look good clear, and it will look more professional also. So like this is ground zero pin, you can consider as a, this is a common center pin also will be there. This is a common uh, ground pad will be there for dissipating the heat only. Now I have created the all pins using this pin names only. So now finally we have to give a provide the line. So sometimes it will give you the warning because here are the two ground pins are there. So that means, but the software don't know how many pins are there in the dedicated the library. So what we knows this is the correct library only because in the two ground pins are there. In the some of the components also more than one ground pins are there. So we have to click on yes only. And after that again we have to go back over the working area. You have to click on this one a refresh button for re-rolling the library again. If you will click here, so library 3 it is visible here. Once you will click here, click on enter. So like this I can show you guys 3 library we have created. Okay, so you can see these are the 3 library custom library we successfully we have created guys. If you have related to that more question, you can comment on this below link below the video. And this is all about for this one video only. For the next lecture I'm going to create the new of the complete the schematic small schematic design, how to create the schematic design after creating the library only. So stay tuned for the next video only.